Hey guys, social media recap time. Happy Friday, 4-day weekend or 3-day weekend, depending on if you work Fridays. And I got just two updates for you this week. They're both from Facebook. One is you can now label your chats on your Facebook mobile device. So if you're chatting with a group about a certain event for your friend's surprise 30th birthday, you can actually label that now by swiping. I haven't tried it out yet, but that makes it a lot easier instead of going to your inbox and seeing a big list of messages and not remembering who's talking about what. Also, I had an email from Facebook this morning saying they've updated their rules and governance, they called it. Basically, they're sharing with you more how they use your information on Facebook, especially for advertisers, what they allow advertisers to use of your information to promote their product. As you know, you can always see when somebody's advertising. If you like it, they'll share that with other people in the news feed as well as in the ad on the right. So I just got two updates this week. If you heard anything else, please let me know below. And have a wonderful, fabulous weekend. Get out there, enjoy the sun before it's gone. Bye.